Welcome guys, this is Shrikant here. In this video I am going to demonstrate about Scaffold class in Flutter. In Flutter we use Scaffold class to implement the basic material design visual layout structures. So what does it mean? Like as we develop a basic app, you will be able to understand. So let me start developing a basic app and let me show you what will happen when we start using the Scaffold class. So in order to develop a small basic app, I'm going to use a stateless widget. So for that I'm going to press st my app and then input this void main of. So here we have a very simple app. So when I run it, so the app is loaded now and you can see a blank screen. So if you want to add some text, you'll add like this. So since we are not using material app, we have to specify the direction also. So you can see hello world is displayed somewhere over here. Let me move it to the center. And you can see it is loaded now. So this is a very basic app. There is nothing on the screen. There is no app bar. There are no buttons at the bottom. So in order to add app bar, some buttons in the bottom or some kind of menus, we need this scaffold. So by adding scaffold, and most of the things like the buttons or app bars, you can directly specify them within the scaffold. So let's see what happens. In order to declare the scaffold, we need to make this a material app. Okay, so wrap with a widget. So for material app we need to have home. So for home we need to wrap this center inside a scaffold. And then you can see scaffold needs a body. So now you can see how the app changes. So by default it has now got a white background. So in order to add app bar, now we'll get the app bar. If you want to add a floating action button, so what you need to do is just go here, create a floating action button. I'm not going to specify anything for unpressed. I'm going to give an icon for this. Let me format this. Now it looks nice and you can see the button is added now. So as I add some function over here, it will have some kind of ripple effects. So this is the basic requirement for having a scaffold in your app. So you can add the app bar, floating action buttons and then body. That's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.